Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered, how far can I see? How deep into the cosmos can my eyes reach? It's a question that has captivated humans for centuries. From ancient civilizations who mapped the stars to modern astronomers who peer through powerful telescopes, the quest to understand our place in the universe has always been driven by our desire to see further. Our eyes are remarkable organs, capable of perceiving a vast and awe-inspiring universe. They are windows to the cosmos, allowing us to witness the dance of celestial bodies and the twinkling of distant stars. But just how far can our vision extend? Can we truly grasp the enormity of the universe with our naked eyes? Or do we need the aid of technology to see beyond our immediate surroundings? Join me as we embark on a journey to explore the science behind our sight and uncover the astonishing distances our eyes can reach. We'll delve into the anatomy of the eye, the physics of light, and the incredible advancements in optical technology that have expanded our horizons. Prepare to be amazed by the wonders of human perception and the boundless beauty of the cosmos. From the nearest planets in our solar system to the farthest galaxies visible through telescopes, the universe is a vast expanse waiting to be explored. So let's set our sights high and journey into the unknown, where every glance at the night sky is a step closer to understanding the infinite. Our eyes are intricate and complex organs that function like finely tuned cameras. They are our windows to the world, allowing us to perceive and interpret the vast array of visual stimuli around us. The human eye is a marvel of biological engineering, capable of adjusting to different lighting conditions, focusing on objects at varying distances, and distinguishing a wide spectrum of colors and details. Light enters the eye through the pupil, a small opening that adjusts in size to control the amount of light entering. This adjustment is crucial for protecting the sensitive inner structures of the eye from damage due to excessive light, and for optimizing vision in different lighting conditions. The pupil's size is controlled by the iris, the colored part of the eye, which expands or contracts to regulate the amount of light that reaches the retina. The light then passes through the lens, which focuses the image onto the retina at the back of the eye. The lens is flexible and can change shape to focus on objects at different distances, a process known as accommodation. This ability to adjust focus is essential for tasks such as reading, driving, and recognizing faces. The retina contains millions of light-sensitive cells called rods and cones. These cells are responsible for converting light into electrical signals that can be interpreted by the brain. The retina is a thin layer of tissue that lines the back of the eye and is crucial for vision. It is composed of several layers, each with a specific function in the process of visual perception. Rods are responsible for our vision in low-light conditions, while cones allow us to see color and fine detail. Rods are more numerous and are highly sensitive to light, making them essential for night vision. Cones, on the other hand, are concentrated in the central part of the retina, known as the macula, and are responsible for our ability to see fine details and vibrant colors. There are 3 types of cones, each sensitive to different wavelengths of light, corresponding to red, green, and blue. When light strikes these cells, they send electrical signals through the optic nerve to the brain, where they are interpreted as images. This process involves a complex network of neurons and synapses that transmit and process visual information at incredible speeds. The brain then combines the input from both eyes to create a single, cohesive image, allowing us to perceive depth and distance. This intricate system enables us to navigate our environment, recognize faces, and appreciate the beauty of the world around us. Understanding how we see also requires understanding light itself. Light travels in waves, and the length of these waves determines the color we perceive. Red light has longer wavelengths, while violet light has shorter wavelengths. When light bounces off an object and enters our eyes, our brain processes the information about its color, shape, and distance. The farther away an object is, the dimmer its light appears to us. One of the most obvious limitations to our vision is the curvature of the Earth. The horizon, that distant line where the sky seems to meet the ground or sea, marks the limit of our direct line of sight. On a clear day, standing at sea level, the horizon is about 3 miles away. However, this distance can vary depending on our elevation. The higher we climb, the farther our horizon extends, revealing more of our planet's grandeur. Section 5. Atmospheric Adventures. Our atmosphere plays a significant role in how far we can see. Air is filled with tiny particles like dust, water droplets, and pollutants. These particles scatter light, making distant objects appear hazier and less distinct. This effect is more pronounced in humid or polluted environments. That's why visibility is often reduced in foggy or smoggy conditions. On a clear day, especially at higher altitudes, the air is cleaner, and we can see much farther. Section 6. Seeing stars, a cosmic perspective. When we look up at the night sky, we are seeing light that has traveled vast distances across the cosmos. Stars are gigantic balls of burning gas that emit their own light. The light from these distant suns takes time to reach our eyes, so when we gaze at stars, we are actually looking back in time. Some of the stars we see are so far away that their light has been traveling towards us for millions of years. Section 7. Mountains' Majesty, Earthly Vistas. Even here on Earth, our eyes can perceive objects at remarkable distances. Imagine standing on a mountaintop, gazing out at a distant range. Depending on the clarity of the air and the height of the mountains, you might be able to see peaks that are over 100 miles away. The human eye is remarkably adept at discerning shapes and patterns, allowing us to appreciate the grandeur of mountain ranges from afar. Section 8. Beyond Human Vision, Telescopes. While our eyes are incredible, human ingenuity has allowed us to extend our vision far beyond what is naturally possible. Telescopes use lenses or mirrors to gather and focus light, magnifying distant objects and making them appear closer and brighter. With telescopes, astronomers can peer deep into space, observing galaxies billions of light years away. These powerful instruments have revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Section 9. Fun Facts, Unlocking Vision's Secrets. Here are some intriguing facts about human vision. Our eyes can distinguish between approximately 10 million different colors. The human eye can detect a single candle flame from a distance of up to 14 miles. Our eyes blink around 15 to 20 times per minute, which helps to keep them moist and clean. It takes about 1/10 of a second for our brain to process an image. Section 10. Limitations and Illusions. Despite their remarkable capabilities, our eyes are not immune to limitations and illusions. Optical illusions, for example, exploit the way our brains process visual information, tricking us into seeing things that are not as they appear. Additionally, our vision can be affected by factors such as age, health, and lighting conditions. As we age, our eyesight may deteriorate, making it more difficult to see distant objects clearly. Section 11. Eyes Wide Open, Appreciating Our Sight. From the vast expanse of the cosmos, where stars twinkle like diamonds scattered across a velvet blanket, to the intricate details of our surroundings, like the delicate veins of a leaf or the vibrant petals of a flower, our eyes allow us to experience the world in all its wonder. They capture moments of joy, beauty, and even sorrow, painting a vivid picture of our lives. The ability to see is a precious gift, one that connects us to the world and to each other in profound ways. It's a gift that we should never take for granted. Our sight allows us to read the expressions on a loved one's face, to navigate through our daily lives, and to appreciate the beauty that surrounds us. So the next time you find yourself gazing at a starry night, where the universe seems to unfold before your eyes, or admiring a distant mountain range, with its majestic peaks touching the sky, take a moment to appreciate the awe-inspiring capabilities of your own two eyes. They are not just organs of sight, but gateways to experiences and emotions. They are our windows to the universe, revealing its beauty in ways that words often fail to capture. Our eyes inspire us to explore its mysteries, to seek out new horizons, and to cherish the moments that make life extraordinary. Whether it's the simple pleasure of watching a sunset, the thrill of discovering a new place, or the comfort of seeing a familiar face, our sight enriches our lives in countless ways. So let's take a moment to be grateful for this incredible gift. Let's open our eyes wide and truly see the world around us, appreciating every detail, every color, and every moment. Because in the end, it's these visual experiences that shape our memories and define our existence. Our sight is a treasure, one that we should cherish and protect, for it allows us to live fully and deeply. So let's celebrate our vision and the endless wonders it brings into our lives.